Ladies and gentlemen, we'll get that updated in a bit here. How we doing today? How do I get this to stay? All right, let's get this chat opened up and then we're going to mark up the charts, boys, and then we're going to just get right into it here. No red folder. Say okay. Because we have no red folder, there could be a decent likelihood that volume's a little bit lower today. All right, boys, there we go. We in. Okay. If we have no red folder, there could be a decent likelihood that all right, we're going to mark it up. You guys hear those beats? Looks like it's broadcasting, so got some nice looking draws here. George, my man, welcome. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I got a little bit stoned last night off a pot cookie, so I'm just kind of working out of it right now, bro. But just marking up the charts and yeah, bro. Getting ready for the session here. We're going to dominate today. Can feel it. These lows are screaming at me though. So it's just depending on how we're going to get there. I'll be looking what I looked at target today. Good draws. Oh, dude, I slept like an absolute rock. Gosh. Yeah, I slept like a rock, dude. All in all, it was a good sesh. My problem with like that type of consumption is you're just so dehydrated come the morning. It's terrible. You gotta get your shit together, get hydrated. How's your morning going? Decent, man. Haven't taken anything as of yet. Market is just doing its thing. Nice, dude. Any are you just peeping GU and EU kind of thing, or any other assets you're peeping? Yeah, this looks like it needs to get rebalanced, bro. I'm personally bearish on. I'd prefer sells on most assets to rebalance this Trump disruption, but we'll see. We shall see, my brother. We shall see. We got good upside draws on GU too, though. So when it does eventually go, I mean, this can trade either way, to be honest. Yeah, this is the classic, classic FX, bro. Just stack those liquidities, bro. Stack it up. Very nice. Looking at GU and EU, but I think in the future, if they're looking shitty, I might look at EU. Honestly, bro, like if they're looking shit, like just enjoy the slower periods. It teaches you to spot high quality market conditions. All right, ES took London high. Let's go. I think that SMT is cooked. George, you like it better when I play some beats in the background on this, or no? Do you prefer just no volume? So I got going right now. That'd be really cool to see this manipulate the high and respect the 15, and then we trade lower. That'd be a great trade idea. Beats are nice. All right, leave them on. Yeah, we're chilling today, Georgie. We're not doing nothing too crazy. Yesterday, made a bit of a mistake on those two trades I took. So the mistake on the first trade is what prompted the position of the second. Yeah, it prompted the second entries here. So this looks like it might. That's why we wait for the flip, big dog. It's within that first 15-minute candle anyways. Like I said, we're going to exercise patience here. No rush. No rush. No rush. No rush. My boys, no rush. Ugh. Look at that. There's the respect. Damn. She went way down. We're chilling for now, boys. Look at that, 15 fully respected. Probably looking downside here. GU is about to make a 1 hour fair value gap to the downside. Would be nice to reach your sense. You're saying you're leaning short on GU? Is that correct? Just some pretty choppy ass price action. Like even taking an hour, like a 1 hour gap to the downside here. I mean, unless we blow these lows and then come back up, not the most probable condition, right? You're basically just stuck, right? Like looking at this level, it doesn't look like price would come back in and then continue to run, right? We want to catch runs. Yeah, the same like kind of 15-minute level. just kind of fell off. All right. I mean, like I said, bro, like it could go, but right, if it's about looking at, you know, immediate price action, but is important, right? Like we get this 1 hour forming, good read, good analysis, but at the same time, like, where are we trading from, bro? Like we're just stacking highs, man. Like we could start running these highs at any point, right? Like the upside draws on GU, in my opinion, look better, aside from the fact that this is a data wick. And typically price will sometime sooner than later find its way back to it. So I do like the bearish lean. I would definitely look for some clear momentum. Even NQ, right? Like looks like we're starting to sell off, but like it's been a choppy week. But yeah, I mean, these draws are screamers. They're just screaming at you, man. Yeah, we are mean chilling today, Georgie boy. Just enjoying the markets, enjoying the peace of the print. We're chilling today, buddy boy. Nice chill day. Yeah, dude, it feels like a rainy day outside, doesn't it? Sure does on my end. You're right. Nice chill day. It's actually raining outside. Makes you feel cozy. Yeah, man. I mean, fuck. The best trading days, in my opinion, are the days when you open up the charts, bro. It's fresh outside. You open up a window, man.
It's
That reminds me of like, it's 8 o'clock apparently. But no, that reminds me of when I first started trading, man. And I was in my apartment at the time, and it was a really wet summer that year. And yeah, dude, I would just sit on my balcony, like under a blanket with my laptop, and draw out patterns and structure, and oh, good times. Sip a nice tea, bro. I had like, it was all about like the all about the trader lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? Chill legit, tea, all that stuff. The aesthetic of it. Let's go, man. Yo, boys! Huge shout out to Swagger, the young man who was in the stream yesterday. He just passed his FTMO second. That's like one reason I'd love to live in. Sorry, I just had a message here. Yeah, that's one reason I'd love to live in the UK, bro. Like, the rain depresses the living fuck out of me, but I mean, bro, if you're in a good, like, it's almost like it forces you to like take care of yourself. Do you know what I mean? Like, if it's rainy outside, you gotta force yourself to get outside, get fresh air, get exercise, eat well, get vitamin D somehow, be around plants, and blah blah blah. It kind of forces you to look after yourself in a sense, right? At least when I lived on the coast in Canada, that's what I felt. But not to say life's easier by any means. It's actually tougher to deal with the rain. But if you deal with it, it's beautiful, man. Then you can enjoy those moments. Tell you, man, my first futures payout, I'm thinking I might just splurge and buy a Herman Miller or something. Like, I need a good fucking chair. We'll see, man. We'll see. George, you sell your computer yet, dude? Curious if you're actually gonna move forward and do that or not. Just gotta plug my mouse in here, dude. Taking you with me. She did. She did. George, every time I read this last comment of yours, it's actually raining outside. It makes me feel cozy. I get a little jealous, man. And then it just reminds me about like just life, man, and what's important, dude. Like the little things, man. If you can't enjoy the little things, like you sure as shit can't enjoy the big things. You know what I'm saying? I think life is more so about enjoying the little things, truly, than chasing and telling yourself that the big things in life are the most important, right? So a lot of times people experience more euphoria from the anticipation of something happening than when it actually happens. I'm going to move my computer to another room and not plug it back in for a month. Yeah, man. Or you know what? Like, if you're the cold turkey kind of guy, do it up, man. If you notice it's messing with you and you're not getting what you need done, you gotta make that adjustment, right? But yeah, you'll figure it out. You will figure it out, kind sir. George, you still haven't changed your profile pic on Discord yet either, my man. Like, it's a movement here, bro. Come on now. What? Nice. Yo, it looks like Mac just spilled his tea all over his desk and all over his Mac Mini. Brutal. Yeah, that's tough, dude. Should I do it now? Buddy, now or never. Now or never. That's what I say. Well, ES took both lows. Big boy SMT at the bottom. This is a bit of a tricky situation now. SMT at the top. Like way at the top. What? Like, I don't even know how you would draw this on. Let's just leave it like that. Anyways, SMT at the top. London took sell side. NQ closed its 15. Maybe a 5-minute tap in. You're gonna tap and go and respect ES. Are we going lower? Is the question. I think we are. I like the shorts on ES today. It's weaker. You know the routine. It just sucks because this draw was already taken. So we're basically internal to internal, which is not good. Like on a funded account, for example, something that I'm looking to trade to the highest probability with the, I guess, the highest respect for risk, like this would not be a trade you would take, right? Because you're trading internal from this leg to like the internal of this leg. It's just no good. Right, at any point, price could come up, take the high, come back down, mitigate deeper. So if we were closer to the low, for example, this was a data wick, was it not? Is this a data wick? Oh yeah, it was a data wick. Data wick low. Data wick lows. Yeah, where I see lower, but just when. Valuation trading is a little bit different. It can be. Like you can trade it at a little bit higher risk, a little bit more aggressive. Don't want to be sitting around on an evaluation for months on end. It's not exactly good for the psych. Better to just blast and pass and trade the fund and make money. Yo, George, you got Brain FM, right? Quick question. What should I do with my day without my gaming or TV? I can never find something I find fun other than that. I mean, you probably enjoy that because it stimulates you, it distracts you, it passes time quickly, man. The thing is coming off those types of stimulation, it's your dopamine is likely to be a little bit depleted, right? Especially if you have like a habitual time for when you get your hits, right? Like if you game right after you trade every single day, like you're going to be itching. I would say get outside, dude. Like like commit to like a 1 hour walk every day. I'm not sure if you're already outside, but like get outside, read books. If you're gonna watch television, for example, like don't do it after work. Like set parameters, man. Like sure, if you're on a night off and you want to vibe, dude, like there's nothing wrong with having some fun, right? And doing what you enjoy, right? Hobbies, television, gaming, whatever. But you got to control the input, right? You got to control the input. So I would just set parameters, bro. Cold turkey, cut it off. You know, you can do weekends only. Depends what you need to do with your time, dude. Like, I would say if you got shit to get done, if there's a chore, if you got to journal a trade, for example, like whatever. Like if something needs to be done, like that should, I don't want to say almost always be the priority, but you know, if you're just casually gaming and you have something else to do, just do it. You know what I mean? Help out around the house. Plan your Thailand trip, dude. Like, fuck, there's so much to do. Start a YouTube. If you're flexible, dude, like, start a YouTube. Document your journey, right? Gosh, man. Or don't. Depends on, like, what your vibe is. That's just one idea. I know there's a lot of guys like, you know, Mac obviously is inspired. Like, you know, I don't know about Daniel. I'm assuming Mac's done YouTube longer than Daniel, but you know, Daniel, G Money. I mean, I'm kind of doing YouTube right now. I don't know if you'd call it YouTube. Like I haven't made any videos, but you know, we're running the stream and things are going good, man. But yeah, you just gotta find ways to entertain yourself. Like, figure out what interests you, George. And just know, like, there's no shame in gaming. There's no shame in watching some TV, bro. It's just like, just be honest with yourself. Like, if it's a little out of control, your consumption, then just dial it back. Problem solved. Gosh. I always wanted a YouTube, but always feel awkward making videos. Yeah, no doubt, bro. Your first few videos are gonna be pretty jaded, man. But who gives a fuck, man? Like, nobody's gonna talk shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, all the boys will support, and yeah, at the end of the day, like, if you feel awkward, like, it could be a good way to like expand your skill set. You know what I mean? Like, if it's like talking in front of a camera, you know. You could get really good at it, right? You could, if you practice. As long as you enjoy it, right? And if the accountability of like putting your shit on YouTube or like live streaming, for example, like if that helps you do better, then like it's never a bad idea, bro. Never. And like, dude, if you wanted to like have your own trading community one day, for example, like I know there's a lot of young bucks out there that are in that, you know, in that realm. And I mean, that's possible too, bro. There's so much business out there. Like you could have a community, Matt could have a community, fucking Enrique could have a community, I could have a community. Who cares, man? Like there's so much. Like as long as we're all supporting each other and we know what we want, man, like that's what it's all about, right? And there's so much business out there, like there's more than enough for everybody to go around if that's the case. This is a nice reversal. All right, ES printed a fresh 15. I'm gonna get this out of here. ES printed a fresh 15 after a deep dive into liquidity, taking 2, 3, including New York AM, sell side draws. NQ didn't take the draws, still holding the original 15, but failed to print another gap. So this is what we're going to be selling into. All right. It's good that we get some structure here because then we can get a fresh leg. Look for this. George, I challenge you to make a YouTube video on why George started trading. Yeah, man. Just wing it. Like, you got to try it out. Why did George start trading? Right? How did George start trading? Like, were you a sucker like the rest of us and did you get sucked into like signals or something like that? Like, what's the story? What's the story, brother? Okay, we are in the 15-minute. Honestly, I'd like to look for like a 30-second flip here. Right in and around this region. Ten-pointer. You're gonna do it. Wow, bro, you said it. You said it, bro. Don't cheat yourself now. Let's go. I'm excited for you, man. Just have fun. Have fun with it. No issues, no stress. This might just nuke this 15. We'll see. I'm short here, boys. 30-second flip. Shit, we got a 3-minute level. Missed it. We just need to react lower and then look to get out of this. Wait for that 3 to flip. We are eval trading, buddy boy. I think I'm going to record all my trades of the week live and do a recap at the end of the week. And then that way I have data to look back to. Used to watch this guy who did that and it was so entertaining. Yeah, man. 100%. Do it up. See what happens here. Just a starter position on this 30-minute or 30-second flip. See if we can protect. It's a good sign so far. Yeah, we need some heavy. We need some heavy price here. Into the 30-second BPR. We're still holding this, boys. We're still holding this, boys. See if we can flip that 3-minute. That'd be huge. 2 minutes. Whoa, that's not what we want. Whoa. Oh, we're gonna be cooked here. Oh my gosh, still in? What the fuck is going on? Just in, like what? Might just clip this here. This is suspicious. Get me out of this at break even. I'm out of break even. I just shut it down. Fuck that. That's insane. What a swerve. I think it was a quarter of a point. What a swerve. What a swerve. Holy crap. Get me out of this. What a swerve. That was almost looking really good too. Yeah, buddy, let's go. What kind of greasy management? That's unbelievable. Look at this. Huh. I was just covering the high. Too funny. Squeeze me out. Squeeze me out. Yo, what up, Mac? Yeah, I took a 30-second flip here a little early. Ended up getting swerved. Came back, shut her down. Came back, swerved, shut her down. Yeah, man. Straight up. Yeah, it was a big boy. 61 minutes. There's 61 points. Unreal. Yeah, there's 3 minutes. I took a 30-second just right immediately off the sweep here. And then, or was it? Yeah, it was in here. And then I actually zoomed out and realized there was a 3 minute that price is respecting very well. 15 versus 3 minute. Let's see. See what happens, big boy. Yeah, NQ15 is, man. It's respecting, but it's like, look at these stacked. SMT. SMT at the high, SMT at the low. Like, this is when you lock out. 30-second time frame is just absolute degen. Hey, bro, you're speaking from experience. I get it. I get it. I don't often use the 30-second. Only if like the 1 minute's really lacking depth like this. I shouldn't have executed because there was this 3 minute block here. This is where I executed the tap into it. Saw it. Got swerved. Like big time swerved. There's something like this at an 11. Yeah, quarter of a point. Swerved me and then I just closed in like somewhere in here for a little bit of green. But it's looking like the market wants to run up. The way this 3 minutes respecting. A 5 minute BPR up here. Trying to wait for 50-minute imbalances. I feel like NAS doesn't give many. It's intermittent, bro. Like you're looking at anywhere from 1 to 3, 4 trades a week on busier weeks. The 15 and the 1 hour imbalances just allow for clarity, bro. Like it just keeps things very simple so that it helps mitigate any type of confusion. Like you start dropping into the 5 minute and then it's like 5, 15, 1 hour. Like what's going on here? Too much. The 15's reliable. Same with the 1 hour, but yeah, these conditions all week have been absolute. Like it's been a struggle for this model. There's just been no continuation, right? We're just ranging. So all good, all good. It'll come. Yeah, exactly, man. When price has a clear draw, it usually moves with clarity, right? Got the old Brain FM bumping. Change it up. Oh, this is a good one, I think. Mac, what do you got going on today, buddy boy? Any plans? Yeah, this is this PA is absolutely nuked right now, man. The SMT high and low is yeah. It's like all these highs are totally chalked. Like really, it's like there's an SMT here, there's an SMT here, there's an SMT here. It's wild. It's wild out here, boys. It's wild out here. We wildin' out, big boy. Yeah. Sean, what do you think, man? Like 5 more days till you're back? 3 more days? I keep forgetting. When Sean boy come back to the EDM, yeah. Downtown lurk, Sean, yeah. Yo, boys, I'm gonna go get another coffee going here. Fucking still half baked from that cookie last night. Brutal. Yo, baby. Oi, darling. Sorry. Oi. Sorry, sweetheart. Oh, that's gonna need guac. Yeah, if you could, that'd be great, baby. Thank you. Is that smoothie? Ah, let's go. Let's go. Boys, we got another coffee cooking and we got a smoothie. Oh, let's go. Shit. Full send. Full send. Full send. I should keep this marked up for later. Let's see, where was it? It was first tap. I think it was bench. Let's just go. It was 11. There we go. Somewhere in there. There we go. Yeah, looking like we're reaching higher, boys. Looking. Maybe not, man. Like, it's just like we took so much liquidity off the bottom. I mean, but did we? Oh, let's just go trade silver. What do you think? Honestly, dude, like with futures contracts, even on the micros for silver, like if you caught this run, this, like even on one contract, this would have been like 30 G's, man. Maybe not 30 G's, but like probably 5-10 grand. Even on one micro contract, it's insane. Delicious water, boys. Sponsored by LMNT. Come at me, baby. Send your boy some salts. Gosh. Send your boy some salts. Yeah. Give me that salt, baby. Saltine. Still early, man. It feels like it's getting close to 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern, but maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Should we start scalping, boys? What's the read? Up or down? Up or down? Did we still respect this 15? We did. We took the high and we gotta focus up here. There's a little very, very small gap here. A little bit late on the entry, but nah, like internal to internal. I don't know, man. Not comfortable. This poo-poo gap. BRB, boys. All right, we back. We gonna be back, baby. Sorry, buddy, I'm back. Just grabbing the schmoothie. Okay, what are you saying here, bro? Let me just make sure my mic's working. Okay, mic's good. Okay, Sean asks, for your external liquidity, where is your line of, okay, this is no longer an internal liquidity point? Good question, man. Good question. So, like, for example, I look at the 15 in the 1 hour, bro. This is basically the price leg that we're trading in, right? I'm looking for the lows to get rebalanced at some point. That's sort of more of my lean to the downside. So, again, like with the paradox of the market, I mean, I'm now trading like within a leg within this leg, right? So you can trade that like internal to external on this internal leg of this 15 or this 1 hour. But this is like all this trading is being done like at least within this leg is all going to be internal, unless you're targeting the high or low, then it'd be internal to external. Right. But again, like it can get granular. Like we go 5 minute, okay, this is our price leg. You know what I mean? This is our price leg. So maybe we're looking to short out to the low. But again, a little bit less probable because the time frames I use 15 in the 1 hour. We got this big ass leg and there's just a bunch of manipulation going on within it. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. But yeah, price action within price action. Like I'm not looking to short this 15-minute level to these lows, right? That would be an absolutely astronomical move, right? But if we were down here, for example, or prices selling off with speed and we see this low being targeted, clearly targeted, then we would look for the pullback to trade the internal into the external, right? It's a lot easier to execute and understand when the market's trending, because we don't have these like crazy whipsaw moments. 100%, dude. 100%. It's a fine balance of like when to look left and when to just trade immediate price action. Because like if you were zoomed in on this, for example, right? Let's take ES. I mean, it looks decent, right? Like we're reacting up this 15. It looks pretty good, but then you understand like zoom out just a little bit and you can see that we're stuck within this Trump candle. And trading within news candles are always dicey, man. It's just that internal play. Like yesterday, man, we got slaughtered because, you know, no matter how good price action looked, right? Like you can just see, like we've just kind of gone flat since this candle, right? Market's clearly deciding where it needs to go, stacking highs and lows. But yeah, internal trading within this leg. 1 hour is a little bit easier to see it, man. Like we can clearly see, obviously, like there's this bearish leg here, but there were some shifts in and around this region. Like this whole range is just strug life. Got a beet smoothie going right now. Beet, berries, blessed. And honestly, now, I mean, this is just like spinning to the upside. Went short at 25,331. Let me guess right here. Fucking guy. Nice, Mac. Nice. You'll be fine. It's gonna sell. It'll sell. Don't you worry. We're getting into high quality price action range here, boys. We got a absolute nuker of a BPR right here. Let's see if price actually melts off it. Sounds like some shit Mackenzie would drink. Maybe. Dude, if you don't drink or eat beets, you're missing out, dude. It is like you wanna get like the most righteous performance physically. Beets every day, buddy. You can get a 10 or 15 pound bag at Costco for like, I don't know, 10 or 15 bucks. Literally, it's wild. Cheaper than potatoes. Beets. Yeah, Sean only listens to him. I like it. I like beets too. listening to them, eating them. Delicious. Yeah, Sean, two a.m. sessions back to back, bro, that were just poo poo. Look at this. New York AM for you. New York AM for you. Like they're so different, but they're so similar all at the same time because they're just so shit. And I don't like to sit here and talk crap about price action or anything like that, personally. But so yeah, when you hear me say shit, it's just like not congruent with my trading strategy. Got to respect the markets, man, and they won't respect you. Good price action. But yeah, boys, evaluation trading is just yeah, not my favorite thing to do. I'm not gonna lie. I'd just as quickly rather just trade funded capital. It's easier in my opinion. Market waiting on the recent Trump threats. See what happens with the 48-hour threat. Did he drop another 48-hour threat, Sean? Because there was something on the weekend, right, about like he's got 48 hours to open up the strait of whatever, or they're gonna blow up all their power plants. Ay, man, crazy. Mac, we still good for the RM live call tomorrow? Fucking rights, I hope so. Fucking delicious, boys. Hey, cheers. Anybody sipping anything warm, cold, or room temperature right now? Cheers to you, beauties. Oh yeah, get it in. Hopefully not going to be coughing up a storm. Been rough. It's okay, man. Yeah, that's what they're waiting on. He speaks at 4 p.m. today. Okay, cool. 4 p.m. Eastern or 4 p.m. Mountain? Probably says right here, don't it? No. She don't. Yeah, like Sean, this is poo poo. Excuse me. Got the sniffies. Snifsky. Yo, Mac, did you get that course video posted yet? I haven't checked it out. We almost got an SMT at the top here. These fucking lucid accounts. Can you ever tell when smart money is sidelined? I don't know. Honestly, dude, like maybe if you had Bookmap, maybe you could just see how dry the orders are. This is classic no red folder too, man. Like look what happens. That's why we love red folder. It brings people to work. Red folder brings people to work, boys. There is nothing of interest here. We flipped this yet? 4 minutes. Might reject and respect. Who knows? That'd be cool. I still think it's just going to spool higher. Mountain Standard, okay, 4 p.m. right on, right when the market's open, or the daily candle refresh. That'll be interesting. I love Trump. He's hilarious. I don't love him, but actually, I don't love him at all. But it's unbelievable what he can do to the markets, man. It's crazy. Very sensitive, especially like I don't know how his tweets actually affect FX at all in terms of like the manipulation of it all, but dude, like indices are wild, man. Very sensitive. Look at these 15-minute candles. This is very no good. Very no good. I can tell when Mac is sidelined because he's in here being a rubble rouser. Roast the fucking rubble, buddy. Roast it up. A rubble rouser. Ron to the rubble rouser. One minute to flip.
It's 9 o'clock.
All right, we got a 15. 5-minute BPR versus 15-minute inversion. Let's see what happens. Not much going on, boys. Retest. Good upside candle here would be good for anybody trading off this 15. Mac, you still around, bro? What do you got going on for the rest of the day? Full retest. Yeah, boys, the markets are just so choppy. Holy crap. This is untradeable. Yeah, there is like fuck all going on here, man. Might just call it. Another hour though, like shit. What do we do? NQ respects. What are you doing this afternoon? Oh, buddy. My girl's going to Calgary this afternoon at like 11 or 12, so I'll probably get outside for a walk, and then I'm getting back into the gym here, man. So I'll be working out today for 45 minutes in the basement, and then yeah, we'll see, man. Might do a YouTube live on the cellular, you know what I mean? Like might get the stream going on the phone. See what's up with the boys, but other than that, man, just kind of chilling. It's like super shitty weather out here, man. Like it's not like it's not the warmest of days. So yeah. How about you, bro? You just sitting in your truck or sitting in the office? What's the play? Haven't seen Surge yet this morning. Hmm. Damn, market goes bye bye. There it is, boys. Sell side draws acquired. Another decoupled market. All right. We had the 15-minute flip on ES, didn't we not? Oh, wait. This one flipped. But not this one. Okay, hold up. Okay, never mind. No decouple. Hold, manipulates, holds, rebalances, boom. AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, a double manipulation, and then the like this SMT threw me off, but yeah, this AMD was clean. Manipulate, distribute. Very clean, actually. Damn. Now that I look at it, the SMTs are what really ruined it for me, honestly. The high and the low SMTs are never a good sign in terms of clarity. Swagger gonna try to do 2% payout and save for his 70K. Made the mistake of passing fundeds before and going for big payouts. Small payouts all day, bro. Well, we just ran an absolute
ton of liquidity, so expecting some form of reaction here. We're going to get a 15-minute in 10 minutes. Are we going to pull back that far before end of session? We'll see. Indices do their own thing, as we all know. What an easy scalp leg, bro. Look at this. Just down she goes by. So now we just got that bullish, or sorry, that bearish S&T. We can clear this. Yeah, I mean, it's... Oh, for fuck's sakes. Looking like a pullback, like a pullback. We got more draws lower. Damn. Just about pulled data wick. This is just the first data wick. Like these lows. It's only a matter of time before we start rolling over. Who knows, man? This S&T could be the tipping point. Still haven't flipped that hourly yet either. Pay attention how price reacts there. We're gonna have a juicy 15 showing up here. Look at this reaction though. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This 15-minute wick. Not bad. 85 points. Not the end of the world. Just a spooling rejection though. Like look at this. I'm just gonna buy real quick. Damn, should have bought it. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing just pull right back. Oh. There's the 1 minute inverse. 5 minutes, then we'll get this 15. All right, send off photos to the boy. All right. I know. No doubt. Rejection candle's a little sus for sure, bro. I am still leaning lower, just not 100% sure at this point. Like we took these lows, huge rejection, but again, I'm still looking here. So again, this is the risk, right? Like you personally, I would not want to trade like any type of funded or live capital in these environments, right? You can get on a, like for example, a Lucid Flex evaluation, dude. It's like 80, $90. You can trade it a little bit more aggressive, right? Because this level could play out, but this is definitely a more like B type trading for sure, right? So it just depends on how you trade. If you trade evaluations the exact same or not, right? I've always traded personal, right? So I started doing that with my evaluations at the start of the year, and progress was steady, but it was slow, right? Like I was just trading these evals, and then I blew all 5 increasing risk, and now I went back to trading 4 accounts slowly, just to kind of stabilize. But now I'm just trading 1 account at a time, being aggressive, just trying to stack the fundeds. Like I couldn't care less if I actually lose the account. You know what I'm saying? So that's where a little bit more of the aggression comes in. Because I could just reset for $100 at this point. Not like I'm trying to just blow it like in one day, but smart trades. And yeah, it's just kind of my approach right now. It's been good because I don't want to waste 3, 4, 5 months trying to stack up funded accounts when I could do that in 2-3 weeks, right? Lucid Flex accounts you can pass in 2 days. So ideally, anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 profit per trade. 2-3 trades, you're funded. Stack it, do another one. Stack it, do another one. Then when you got 5, you trade 5 accounts, minimal risk. You're aiming for $150 a day per account. All right, that's $75 in your pocket off that trade, right? Per account, right? So 5, 75, 300, $75 on 5 winning, or on one winning day, making $150 per account. Right? And it could be more than that. Who knows? Once the buffers start to increase, but for now, it's like we're just aiming $150 to $250 per trade, and that's the goal. So for now, we're stacking. We're trading a little bit reckless, but it's still calculated. We're not just buying and selling, unless we're in this. Then we should be buying. Not actually. But like this would be an example of a trade I'd slam on eval versus unfunded. Because this has got big downside too, right? This is big downside, right? This could be, $500 risk, and I could make anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500. Boom, that's half an evaluation right there, right? If the risk to reward's good. George says, I am in longs on GU. Look at the 15-minute respect. Big stop loss, but nice targets. Wanted to test it out. Okay. I don't know if I was right with the first presented on the one. Take a look. Macy, just dropping in for a quick second. No trades for me so far this week. Dude, honestly, good work staying out of this crap. I have not taken a funded execution. It's just been evaluations. So yeah, we're just trying to stack up some evals. We passed 1 apex. I don't know like if I'm going to be trading the apex much. I'm going to, but the activation, the 8 days of trading, there's a buffer on it too. I actually had no idea there was a buffer on the apex. but you got to get that account to $2,600 with a 30% consistency before you can take a minimum $500 payout. So we'll see. The Lucid Flexes are way more attractive. No buffer. It's just a 2-day pass, and you need 5 days, minimum 150. So the Flexes are the absolute focus right now. For now, yeah, exactly. For now, bro, like we're just aggressively trading evals. See a setup, take the setup. It is what it is. And once we're stacked, then we completely dial it in. Not like we're not dialed, but we back off the gas a little bit, and we trade to make money. How's your day, brother? Low hanging fruit TPs all day. Yeah, bro, exactly. Like high risk, 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s. Like just get it done. Unless you don't have the money, then like obviously don't just go like stack your credit card up. Okay, George, GU longs. GU long? Hold on, let me read that again. Look at the 15-minute respect. Sorry, what are we respecting here? Are we talking this gap? Like this flip? Or just in general, the rejections? Yeah, this is a little subjective. I mean, careful here. Oh, indices are melting. Hold up. Let's see if we flip out. Fucking down she goes, eh? It's just melting. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this retest. We also got a 2-minute. Fuck the 2-minute. 1 minute's lower, and if it closes with this type of speed, I'm in. Come on back up. Come on back up. 13-point stop. 13. We're gonna go. Come back up. There we go. There we go. A little higher. All right, I'm short. Oh my gosh, I got the wrong contract size. There we go. Okay, I'm not short yet. I'm not short yet. 2M flipped. I think it's going to pull back. 3M flip. 3M flip 2. No, we're not making this mistake again. We're taking it right here. There we go. Pretty small 15-minute fair value gap upside. Not my best trade. Sorry, I just had to execute here, bro. Let me take a peek. 15. Oh, this little wanker here. Yeah, those are, I mean, great sign of respect, bro. But again, like, that's a little dicey. Like, if it's not smacking you, oh, buddy, let's go. Hold up. We're starting to push out. I have no idea where I'm going break even. Like, this is just, we're pushing. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. If this delivers, it could be really, really nice. I'm in at 64, 645 even. Okay. Got a 3-minute BPR. Not really worried about it, honestly. Let's just dial in for a second here. I took this on ES as well, boys, because it's weaker. 0.5% up versus 0.6%. Oh, baby, let's go. Nice. Up 300 right now. Probably could have taken this a little bit bigger. 3, 6, 9, 12. Nah, that's all right. Let's get these liquidity points out. Close this out. I'm going to wait for a bit of a structure shift here. Nine points. We're in the 3-minute. Like, I don't want to prematurely go break even because we could mitigate back up into these regions here. We got another 3-minute BPR up here. Which could hold price lower. Do I want to risk it? Yes, I do. The valuation trade, I'm leaving it open. I'm leaving it open. That is a great sign of respect, though. Just a 3-minute. We got pretty much everything working against this 3-minute BPR right now. So also a 2-minute lower. So this could just be like a big rejection to go higher, but we're chilling. It'd be great if we rejected right here. 30-second BPR. Yeah, George, send it over, big dog. I'll take a peek. This is going to range. Good to see NQ respect that first presented. Tapping into the 1 minute BPR. Yeah, if this 1 minute inversion doesn't hold, we'll be smooth sailing. There's a 30-second BPR right in here. I guess it's a 1 minute BPR too. 1 minute BPR formed off a 3 minute BPR. This failed to flip. Yep. Melt. I'm going break even when we violate this low. When or if. You just need some speed in the market. Also, if NQ closes below, it doesn't. Should nuke it. Like, we're stalling, so we should nuke. Come on, baby. Push us lower. Push us lower. Push us lower. Push us lower. Well, there's a nice little doji. Let's close below. We close below, we could be looking really nice. Come on, baby. I want to play music. Where does this thing keep going? It's still holding. Not a good sign. Looks like it wants to seek higher. Come on in. Got a little 1 minute breaker here too. 2 minute breaker. Tap and go. Tap and go. Come on up. Tap and go. Breaker rejection. This next candle will tell the story. There's a 30-second potential flip in this region here. It's fighting it. It's fighting it hard. Not close bullish. It's going to push. Well, we waited all session for this. So let's just stay patient, boys. Still looking good on our side. Markets are in tandem. We do have the data wick. Only thing is this 15-minute candle was pretty spicy rejection, but that is okay, boys. Flip this, we're clear. 30-second flipped. One more manipulation, or are we going? We're going. Oh, we're going. 20 seconds. Holds it up again. Wow. One more manipulation, or do we nuke? We need a nuke. Oops. Wrong button. There's the retest. 30-second retest. Right here. That's a good close. We do have a 5-minute BPR up here. Price may want to tap into. Just going to mark it out. It's basically 15-minute, 5-minute BPR versus 3-minute and 1-minute BPR. And we're kind of rangy now. It'd be great when we annihilate this low. It looks like it wants to go. Also retapping into that 1-minute inversion. One more mitigation, boys. What do you think? We're just trading flat PA now. There's the manipulation. Oh, there's rejection. Oh my goodness. Wow. My trading view just spazzed out. And it holds again. Like, look at this level.
Somebody wants this higher. Somebody wants this market higher. Still rejecting that 1 minute breaker too. See what happens here, boys. We're getting that deep mitigation. Delete this now. Push. This is our time right here. Five-minute BPR versus 1 minute BPR. Sorry, 3-minute BPR. We need a flush, man. Like, PA is just not PAing. Oh, excuse me. Come on. Get some legs for us. I don't know if I see it taking this 15-minute wick, man. Like Sean said, pretty aggressive reaction. Setup was decent. We're just stacking before we sell. At some point in time.
It's 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock. Session's getting close. Are you short or long there, Shawnee boy? I'm assuming short off that 5-minute BPR or bearish fair value. I do like the shorts here, given the most recent price action, but we'll see, man. I mean, like you said, we liquidated a mountain of sell side, so we're just kind of stacking. Likely to dig a little bit deeper. It would be nice to see something convincing, though. Like, this is just floating break even.
When it goes, it's going to rip. If it goes. Time will tell, my brother. Time will tell. We chilling. For now, Bulls are in control. We need to see some of these gaps start to flip before we reach the high, ideally. It's a good sign. Been showing big sensitivity in here, so it could easily wick up, but this close would be a good start. Big wick here. First sign of selling momentum. I'm B at this low. This is what we need to flip. We can flip this, we're in good shape. Or we just come back all the way up, mitigate. Let's see, big boy. Come on now. Seller's got to get some legs. Seller's got to get some legs. Seller's got to get some legs. $20 seconds to candle close. Come on, baby. Do it for me, man. Feel like an absolute nip just sitting here begging. I think we're going to get sensitive in and around here again. This is the clitoris of the session. The session clit right here, sensitive area. Flush. Flush the shitter. Flush it. Don't flush it. React off it. Good price. Good price. Maybe a gentle little retest off this zone. Come on. Come on, boys. It's a seller's market. It's a seller's market. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. Flush. Oh my. Come on. Don't flush. Good. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind sitting here talking to these candles. Come on, baby. You know you want to. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. NQ took it. I'm going B, boys. Let's go. We're B. Get the music going. What's up, baby?
Hey, baby.
AI video editor on fire.
We're B, baby. No, you're good. We still haven't flipped this. I'm going B. We flip it. We flipped it. Nuke! Not that way. Nuke the other way, baby. Come on. This might be a quick break even, boys. Oh, look at that retest, baby. Holy fuck. Come on, sell! Where are the sellers? Where are the sellers? We melt here and respect this? Oh, I'm gonna be fucking juicing. Come on! I've been juicing. Been juicing on that coffee. Respect it, respect it, respect it! Not quite. Big day. Good progress. Yeah. This is active. This is Ronnie, but it's been a good day. How are we doing it? All the way down. All the way down. Yeah, this is all live. We flip this 3 minute, I'm gonna squeal like a pig. Flip it! Let's turn the cab on. Oh, there we go. Are you almost done? Are you almost done? No, you're good. Boys, it's looking like we're gonna get smacked out for break even here. Or we fucking melt. Yeah. Yeah, melting sounds great. It's 3 minute BPRs. A real pain in my cheeks. Pain in my fucking cheeks. We're still in it. So Sean says, what up? Then he says, what up? Come on, Sean. Melt for the kids, baby. Ow! Melt for the kids. Come on, baby! Shawnee boy needs a paycheck. Let's go! Oh! Look at that. Respect off that. Come on! I'm going to monitor this trade from the weekly. Ciao. Are you out of here? No. I'm rave mode right now. I will. Ciao. Woo! Come on, baby! Ah! Fucking melt! Melt for Shadow! Come on! Let's go! Even in shit conditions, bro, we still catch trades. Come on! All right. Where are the RM fellas at? Where are the RM fellas at? Oh gosh, this is hideous. Come on, man. This 3-minute BPR, bro. It's so teasing. Like, no. Go down. Go down. It's just building. Take me out for break even and then melt for Sean. That's what I want. Well, clearly this this song just wasn't it. Maybe this is it.
We will get you 1 million views or you don't pay. And if you
Yeah,
15
sure.
seconds, I'll explain exactly.
We will get you 1 million views or you don't pay. Simmer down. We bumping. Bump, 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 bump. Booms, boom, boom, booms. Come on. All right, I'm gonna come back from the pisser, and this market's gonna be down here in that box. BRB. Marcus still ain't doing what we want. So.
I need to get a payout so you can buy a YouTube Premium, you waste man? What does that mean?
Are you getting hit with ads? I need you to get a payout so you can buy YouTube Premium. Wait, you want me to have Premium? Why? Why do I need Premium, bro? What? I need Premium? I can't hear a thing, man. I got the jungle. Got the jungle boys popping up. We got the cam going, baby. Let's go. Love me the cam. Oh, you can hear my ads in the stream? Oh, yeah. It's because I got this shit blasting, bro. There we go. Oh, also. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Yeah, no, I definitely don't have premium. We're going to kick it back a bit. But I'm riding this out, bro. I'm break even right now. Let's see what happens. Remember when you asked me what I was doing this afternoon? I'm going to sit here and watch this roll over all afternoon. Currently off about 250 bucks. I can just see this rolling out of bed. I can also see this just pumping, right? Like it looks like it wants to roll. Like 30 seconds just moving, and then it's just like a big old wick on the 1M, 2M, 3M, 5M. 15, hey, it looks like it's gonna roll. I don't know, man. It looks like it's gonna roll. I say that. It's like price looks really good, and then like a minute later, it's not looking so good. I'm BE2, it goes or it doesn't. Let's go, Sean. Honestly, man, like opportunity in these conditions, I mean, we did well. You got a better entry point than I did too, I think. Yeah, this 3 minutes being a real cheeser. We got any Trump news or anything pending? I didn't see anything on Forex Factory, but maybe you guys did. All right, this is do or die. It's starting to roll. Do or die, baby. Roll on over. We need the lunch algo to just. This is sad. This is sad, PA. Slow. It could be worse though. We could be sat up in here. No thanks. This 30 seconds, dude. If you think the 1 minute's flat, you should see this. It is literally just like 12 candles with perfect trend line. We got highs up here too. Honestly, like not a bad spot to trim if you're running. We got liquidity up here. This might be the beginning of the end, Sean. Right here, buddy. Do we have any gaps like at all to hold price? There isn't a single 2 minute gap, 3 minute gap. Just the highs. Yeah, like there's equals here. Ay. This might manipulate. This might manipulate beforehand, or it would be great if it just went. If these highs are starting to hold. If we could steal this. This is how you trade patterns, boys. Look at this. That is the good shit. You see this? They call this the ascending. Who the fuck knows what it's called? They call this Santa's dump, right? You just take a hard short on this whole candle.
And then you target the 75 of the BPR. This is high quality trading. I'm just fucking around. These are all points of liquidity that the market may take before we go, including our stop. We'll see. Risk on, risk off. We are accepting of what is happening here, boys. Sean, you're trading a 10K, right? Are you risking 1R a position or? I love how in moments like these we all start over analyzing different time frames. Oh yeah, dude, no doubt. No doubt. Yeah, we got a 30-second ABC forming into an XYZ butterfly formation. On two. Set two. This is brutal. It's just AMD, AMD, AMD. I haven't sat in a trade like this in a minute. 2 minute, looking like it might rip. 3 minute, who knows? Low risk on these NAS trades. 0.5% till I get 100%. Swings are still 1 to 2. Right arm. There it goes. What a song. DJ Marsh taking us out for break even? Maybe? Yeah, we're out of B. Haha, shit, eh? That's okay. That's why we manage. Look, this fucking 3-minute BPR. Oh my goodness. Unreal. I'm long? I'm short? I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's time for me to get off. That's what it is. Okay, there's the second retest of the 5-minute on NQ. Let's see. Yeah, this is just flat market, bro. This is just flat market. Yeah, B's all day. Good B. Good BE. Well, that's the sesh, ladies and gentlemen. That is the sesh. Okay, bro. You have a good day. I'm out too. Good trade. Good management. And yeah, bro, we'll catch you tomorrow, all right? Hit me up sometime today when you're off work or something like that. Some chat. Cheers, man. Boys, I'm off. Have a great day. Much love. Ciao. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's why we go.